everyone, and welcome back to Starlight Fun. So today we are going to be playing Animal Jam, and I forgot what episode this is. So yeah, um, uh, go to my den, right? Okay. Um, wait. Okay. Go to the this one. Okay. So, as you can see, I got my new den right here, right now. Um, so the hive too, but the hive can like hard. Oh, this somebody's my den. Right, I mean hive. Here, untried. Okay. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of fires. Ah. Oh, that kind of looks pretty on me, but okay, then there's nothing. So let me just change my style. It's a gazelle horn that I could put the cheese hat. By the way, the cheese hat's kind of like new. Wow. Wait. Um. Yeah, I got three rares. I think that's the ones that I put on. But ooh, it's so fancy. Oh, so wait. Why did I still have 99 buddies? I don't know. Put it on trade. Hat. Um, oh, the shirt. And by the way, I have like a tons of these vegan hats. So if you want those, I got some. And these are gifts. And this was the Phantom plushie. This plushie, I think that one's a duplicate. So let's place the Phantom plushie. Ooh, cool. So, let's see, where should I put the flower? Give it a mouse and the plushie right there. And like that. I really love my den right now. Well, it's not really like organized, but it kind of looks like it. Where's the other really really I think I traded with somebody else for the pattern plushies. Um so yeah. I also want to support away maybe. No, I don't know how much. So is this what I was looking for? It's probably the restaurant party. Wait, no. I'm like the sweet party thing. That's not. I was looking for the cookie here for my other one, my other den. Oh, it's not here. There's some more. Um, nothing here. The ones that I like. Oh. I think. Yeah, I think it's this one, but nothing like this one. Oh wait. There we go. Yay! Thank you whoever made this party. And as you can see, there's a cookie, and this is the one that I was looking for. Parts of happiness gems, and also these three ways. So yeah, course table like that. So anyway, let's just go ahead and play the following pantones. Ready, set, go. Okay, I was doing it with my left hand, so it's a bit harder. You guys, I think I'm the last one. Yeah, totally. Okay, but guys, I'm the first one. I'm so excited. It is, and now I got 300. So let's see if I could get some more, something else from here. Um, uh, this is the treat ones, and also baker's oven. Also the bread basket. Oh, cookie table. Oh, there's like a tons of cool things here. Wait, which one is non-members? No, there are none. There are no non-members things. This party. Oh, look at the chocolate fountain. Looks so delicious. Cool. And where I'm going to go? Well, let's get some donuts. Look at some donuts. I'm gonna get some donuts. Ooh, yay! Got some donuts. What are these? Not really sure what are these. Uh, um, I think I'm gonna go and two. So in my desk, that the pink popsicle. Oh, that looks so cool. The Phantom's one. I'll go that one. Kind of looks like wait. Okay. Where do I want to go? No. Let's see how many are they. So there's one, two, three, four, five, which actually is supposed to be three. This one's kind of like, does it count as it? So one, two, three, four, five. Wait. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. And this equals that. That's one, two, four, 10, 11, and 12. I'm not sure because some people have reached to like 18 of those. Uh, let's go to one of those accidents. Fortunately, I'm not in one of those then. Login word errors again. Okay, now I am back. we got to the twitch animals, or kind of like animals. Um, there is also the snow leopard one. I don't know if you've ever seen that one before, or is it like going to be new for this year that the snow leopard ones is isn't going to be for 10 diamonds, right? So I'm not really sure, but I got two of the snow leopards. So I also got two new of the animals, which is physical speed is tone. So you're probably wondering maybe how do I get 10 more diamonds? Because I went to the search animal here, right there, and make a new animal, and just went there, and I don't know why I'm just going here, but yeah. And I just found that there is no leopard. Totally not fair. So yeah. That's what I was just telling you. If you don't know um, about it, if you remember, you could also get it there. So yeah. Okay, so let's check the Gamma Central. Oh, that looks like a new one. It's kind of like the shadows. That is so pretty. I really like it. Um, so let's read it. Patrice Pratwell, which is animal name. That's NJHQ for everywhere and everything. Everyone. Okay, that doesn't really make sense to you. You could probably just read it now. I don't know where I'm going to go, but I'm just going to earn some more gems. Let's see that. I like this game. This game looks like the porcupine. Let's see if I don't think I'm going to earn my record, which my record I think is like 15, I don't know, 15,000. That's what I meant. So I will hope I reach my record. Now, and then on. Oh, I hope I got as far as I want to go. My record. Oh, okay. This is the okay. Oh no. Oh, yeah. That goes. Kind of make it bouncy. No. Not fun when you don't win. Okay. So thank you guys for watching.